Hey, how's everybody doing today? Working on a bienvenue. It's a welcome sign in French. So we're just going to hack away at How's everybody doing today? Back at this welcome sign, but we're doing it in French. I'll say bienvenue. A few more letters in welcome, so it's a little taller. So we're going to just sketch everything out now. So we're going to be dialing in deep to this piece now. En français, bienvenue, welcome for a client. And let's have a go.